Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make a board private in Monday.com. Start by opening the board you want to make private. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu and on the drop-down choices, hover your mouse over Settings. You'll see another window where you can find the Change Board Type option. Hover your mouse over it to open its choices, then select the Change to Private option. Private boards are only visible to you and the specific team members you invite, making them perfect for confidential projects or sensitive data. Once you change the board type, you can invite members by clicking the Invite button at the top right and entering their names or email addresses. If you're creating a new board, you can also make it private from the start. Just click the big plus button on the left sidebar, choose Board, and when the pop-up appears, choose Private as the visibility option before creating it. And that's how you make a board private in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.